Hello students, welcome to Akadshala.
Today we are going to study Class 10 Science Chapter Light. Under this chapter, we are going to study today the topic Image Formation by a Concave Mirror.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Akadshala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Many students tell me that they find this topic very, very difficult. They are not able to make the ray diagrams. They are not able to understand how to go for the ray diagrams. It's not so difficult, students. If you do it step by step, you follow the rules, of course, you can do all the ray diagrams in a very easy manner. So today in this class, we will be studying about the ray diagrams, how to draw. But before drawing, we will be studying about the rules. That is, rules for the image formation by concave mirror. First of all, students, you should know how to draw the concave mirror. Now you must be knowing about cave. So how the cave looks like, you know it. And you imagine the cave and draw this cave, and this hence is known as concave mirror. This is the first thing you should know it, that how to draw the mirror, that is concave mirror. Now, let us proceed further. Before starting for the ray diagrams, first of all, you should understand the rules for the image formation by concave mirror. So the first rule says, now listen to me very, very carefully and concentrate on the board. Now this black line is known as principal axis. This black line is known as principal axis. We have drawn the line, principal axis, and the concave mirror like this. Now, when the image is formed, I have written over here at least 2 rays we will take it. There are many rays coming, but we will take 2 rays at least to show the formation of the image. Now, 1 ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. It will come this way, parallel to the principal axis, and then where it will go? It will strike at that is concave mirror. First, it will come parallel to the principal axis, strike on the concave mirror, and it will go through the focus. Fine. This is known as center of curvature. This is known as focus, and this is known as pole. You know it very well. So that means the ray will strike on the concave mirror and it will pass through the focus. Right, children? So this is the first rule. The second rule is the opposite of the first rule. So do not get confused at all. If you know the first rule, do the opposite of the first rule and you will get the second rule. So again, we will write down center of curvature, we will write down focus, we will write down pole. So the ray will come through the focus and then it will strike the concave mirror. And then after striking the concave mirror, it will go parallel to the principal axis. So that means the second rule is opposite of the first rule. Finished. 2 rules we are having in our hand. Okay, let's come to the third rule, which is also very, very important. Again, center of curvature, focus, pole we have made. Now the third ray, that is the third rule, which we are going to show is when the ray passes through the center of curvature and strikes the concave mirror, it will go nowhere, but it will bounce back, but same way it will go back. same way it will bounce back. It will come and go back the same path. That is why I have put an arrow like this, and going back, bouncing back, again the arrow back. So these are the 3 rules. You have to keep it in mind for making the images, which we are going to do it just now. That is images formed by a concave mirror. Here it goes. Students, I have made all these ray diagrams freehand. So please, you make it with scale and pencil. But I have used my freehand. So when you will use your pencil and scale, so it will come in a very accurate manner, the images formation. Right, students? Okay. Now the first thing says, the object is kept at infinity. Infinity means very far away. Very far away. So this is the first case. Object is at infinity. Right, children? Now when the object is at infinity, that means the first case which we studied just now, okay, the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis where it is striking on the concave mirror. Right? This was the first rule we did just now. Coming parallel to the principal axis, passing through the focus. This is what I am going to show you in the first case. Coming parallel to the principal axis, passing through the focus. Coming parallel to the principal axis, passing through the focus. I have repeated. Okay. Now, the second ray is coming parallel and going back through focus only. The second ray is coming parallel to the principal axis and passing through the focus. Again, I am repeating. The first ray is coming parallel, passing through the focus. The second ray is coming parallel to the principal axis and passing through the focus. Clear? Now, the object was kept at infinity and the image formed was here at F. Point. Very, very small. And very, very small, we use the word highly diminished. Diminished means that is very, very small. So we have used the word highly diminished because a very, very small size image is formed, looks like a point. Clear? So I have written highly diminished. Now it is at focus. I have written at focus. Clear? And it is real and inverted. Now, real and inverted means what? That is, it is meeting itself. We have not taken any pains to make them meet. Are you getting my point? It is meeting on its own. And when it meets, we have made this point. So that is why the image formation is over here. Just very, very, very small. So I've written highly diminished. And if it meets itself, it is known as real. And if it is real, it is known as inverted. So the image formation is inverted and of course it is real. So we actually remember the image formation real and inverted as, in Hindi you can say, it's a very, jokes apart, Rasmalai ice cream, RI. So children remember like this in a very fun loving manner actually. So I have also kept it, the wordings as Rasmalai ice cream. So my students actually feel like, learning with these kind of kiddish things so that they can remember for a longer period of time. So the first image formed is Rasmalai ice cream at F and highly diminished. Correct, children? Okay. The second, the ray diagram which we are doing it is that the object is now kept beyond C. See over here, children. The first rule said that the object is kept at infinity. Second rule says I'm keeping the object beyond C. That is little bit back of C. Okay. Now the parallel beam of light is coming. That is with principal axis. Okay. Parallel beam of light is coming, passing through the focus. So the second case also we can put if it passes through the focus and going parallel. But I want to use a third rule, my wish. Okay. So I don't want to put second rule. Let me put my third rule. Okay, fine. No worries. So what I have done, I have put the third rule passing through the center of curvature and bouncing back again. Clear, children? I have not put the second rule, I have put the third rule, but I can put the second rule also. So I have put the third rule. First, what I did, parallel beam of light passing through the focus. Second rule, I did not put my wish, so I put up the third rule, passing through the center of curvature and bouncing back also. See, children, what we did. So the second rule also I would have used, but I have not used. I've used this thing because I feel that I should use this. So I've used this rule and I have shown over here in the second ray diagram. Okay, after this I've seen when they meet, I have seen the image formation is over here. That is between C and F. C is center of curvature and F is focus. Fine. And I've seen inverted images also there. Fine. And it is also smaller than the object. Fine. So what I've done? I have written first, that is, it is diminished. I told you the meaning of this. Small. It is between C and F. I have written C and F. And Rasmalai ice cream, real and inverted. So real and inverted, we have not done anything. We have not taken pains to make them meet, but they met themselves. That is why real. And if it is real, it is inverted. So the second case is also Rasmalai ice cream. R-I. Rasmalai ice cream. Okay. The third case. The first was at infinity. Second was beyond C. Now the third is at C. Now the object is kept at C. Okay, again, I have taken parallel beam of light, pass through the focus, right? Okay, now the third rule we cannot put it. Why? Because the object is only kept at C. So what should I do? What should I do? I will use the second rule, no problem. I will pass the second beam of light through focus. It will go parallel to the principal axis. So what I did, children, again I'm repeating, in the third rule, in the third ray diagram, I have kept the object at C. See over here, children. And then I have taken a parallel beam of light with principal axis. I have taken parallel beam of light, pass through the focus. We cannot apply the third rule because we have kept the object only at C only. So I will go for the second rule. Okay. So what I did, I have passed through the focus and it goes parallel to the principal axis. This I have done in the third ray diagram. So now let us see what we have got. The object is at C only. See, children, over here. The object I have seen, it is formed at C only. It is of the same size at C, same size, and we have done nothing. What? We have done nothing. See over here, this over here, it meets the beam of ray of light. They meet over here. We did nothing to make them meet. They met themselves. So it is Rasmalai ice cream, that is R-I, that is real and inverted. So the first three case, whatever we have done just now, it has come out to be Rasmalai ice cream. Correct, children? So, learn it in a very fun-loving manner and love your studies. Okay? And be happy and learn. Always remember, do not make yourself frustrated and it's very difficult to do it. The ray diagrams are very difficult. Physics is very difficult. No worries, children. No worries. If you make it with your hands and fun-loving manner, of course you can do it, children. Okay. So, we have done this, the third ray diagram at C. Fine. At C, same size, real and inverted. So, the first one, again I'm repeating, we have done at infinity. Second, beyond C. Third, at C. Clear? Now, let us go to the fourth one. What I have done? I have kept my object. Where I've kept my object? Now you tell me, children. I have kept my object between C and F. Over here. Clear, beta? What I have done? I have kept my object between C and F. First object was at infinity. Second was beyond C. Third was at C. Fourth is, that is between C and F over here. Clear? Now, let's go to the next rule. It will go parallel, passing through the focus. First rule. Second rule, if it goes through the focus, second rule goes parallel. I have shown this. Clear? When it goes parallel to the principal focus, I will see the ray meeting. Where? I have seen meeting them here. But where? That is beyond C. C is over here. So the image formation is beyond C, at the back of C. Clear? That is behind, at the back of center of curvature. That is beyond C. So I have written beyond C. And the image formation is little bit big than object. So it is enlarge. Okay, enlarge, I have written. And I have done nothing to make them meet. They met themselves. So what is it? It is real. And if it is real, it is inverted. This is a rule. If it is real, it will be inverted also. So, Rasmalai ice cream. The fourth ray diagram is also Rasmalai ice cream. So, it is beyond C, enlarge, real and inverted. Clear? So, the fourth rule is also done. So, always remember, many rays, are there, but we have taken 2 rays only to show the formation of the image. Clear? Fifth. Now, my object is kept where? At focus. AB. My object is kept at focus. Okay. Going over here, parallel beam of light passing through the focus. Okay. Now, what we should do, we have to also show with the center of curvature. Now, if I make the ray fall in front, I will feel that it is passing through the center of curvature. So, I have shown over here like this, and if I see, it is showing that it is passing through the center of curvature. So, this way, these 2 lines are going parallel to each other. They are going parallel to each other, but they will go very far away at infinity. That is, wherever at infinity, they will go and meet there at infinity, very far away. Clear? So, that means image will be formed at infinity. It will be enlarged, of course, and it will be real and inverted. We are not making them meet, but at one point, very far away at infinity, they will meet themselves. That is why it is Rasmalai ice cream. Clear, real and inverted. The last case. Now, the object is kept between F and P, focus and pole. Okay. Object is kept over here. It is going parallel, passing through the focus. Okay. Now, that means I have kept the object between F and P, parallel, passing through the focus. Right? First case I have done. Now, the second case, that if I make the ray fall in front, If I push it at the back, I see that if I extend at the back, as we did in this case, so it is passing through the C, that is center of curvature. Now we are seeing over here that they are not showing parallel. They are not going parallel, diverging. See, if you see, they are going diverging. These were going parallel. This is going diverting. That is diverging way. Clear? So if I extend at the back, I see that they meet. That means I have taken the pains to meet. That means I extend over there and this is the meeting point. That means with our willingness, we made them meet. So here the image is formed that is behind the mirror. Are you getting my point, children? So A dash, B dash. That means the image formation is behind the mirror. It is very, very large. So it is first point behind the mirror. Second is enlarged. And the third is that we have made them meet. That means we were willing to make them meet. So that is why the last and the final case is not Rasmalai ice cream. It is virtual and erect. And that is why the last case is very, very important. Only in the last case out of 6, only the virtual and erect images formed. Always remember, children. So out of 6 cases, all the first 5 were Rasmalai ice cream and the last one was virtual and erect. Clear? So this is the imagination, that is the last ray diagram. Clear? Did you get me, children? So please make these ray diagrams with pencil, scale, and then you will get it in a very correct image formation in your hands. And these are very easy ray diagrams. Do not panic. Please make it slowly in the beginning, and definitely when you will pick up, you can make it on your own in a fraction of seconds. Clear, children? Now, children, we are going to do some trick. That means whatever I have taught you in the ray diagrams, I'm repeating that we can do in the fraction of seconds by using a trick that I will tell you in the next video. Clear? So stay tuned. Till that, please practice these ray diagrams. So with this, I wind up the session. Thank you. God bless and take care.